on over.
I'm Chris, a recovering Yankee living in the South. If having company for coffee, dinner, or even a last-minute popover sends you into a fit of panic, I can show you a few tips for being a great host or hostess anytime, day or night. So tune in, take notes, and learn to be fearless in saying, "Come on over."
Well, Independence Day is right around the corner, so I thought it might be really fun to go over 7 fun decorations for July 4th parties. Now, you may be looking at this table and going, 7? 7? Yes, there are 7 main categories here for the abundance of what you see. Let me just point out, 7's a really good number because everything you see here costs less than $70. That's right, less than $70, and I'll tell you why as we go along. So, what I want to talk about inside is if you have family, friends, neighbors over for an inside July 4th party. Now, why might there be an inside party? Well, you know how it goes. You're all geared up for outside and then it rains or something crazy happens. A swarm of bees, who knows? So you have to bring it inside. Well, to me, when you bring it inside, you bring out the really great stuff. So, number 1, plates, napkins, straws, fun things to eat with. This is actually shaped like the flag, which is kind of cool. It's called a boopy plate.
What did you say?
And it's a luncheon plate used at garden parties or tea parties or lady parties usually. And you put your main course here and your side course here, and then your punch cup went here. Well, it's also great for blueberries and strawberries and raspberries or watermelon, or those people like me who don't like things running into each other, so you want a divided plate. Perfect. We haven't even talked about the hot dogs and the hamburgers or whatever else you're cooking. Main course can go here. Wonderful, they're heavy, they go right in the dishwasher. Then we have patriotic straws. Yes, I ordered these online, super cheap, fun, red, white, and blue, love them. We've got some red, white, and blue napkins down front, have kind of a floral theme. Those were a gift from a friend of mine. Perfect for a day like today. So I like starting out with the right utensils, and I do have real utensils somewhere here on this very abundant table. Right here, real utensils. They go right in the dishwasher. Let's use them. Number 2, the white tub filled with red, white, and blue beverages. So I just had this tub. I think we bought it for a party or someone filled it for a wedding gift with different things. I don't know, but it was here and it was white, so I thought, perfect. I just went and got different beverages, red, blue. My white is just water in here. It's filled with ice. It keeps things nice and cool. Kids love flavored drinks. These are just blue raspberry and a fruit punch. They love it. There's some adult beverages in here too. And you could put different red and blue beverages of your choice. I did throw in a cranberry juice in case somebody wants to do a little cranberry vodka. Awesome. There's also some great 4th of July party beverages that you can find online. Beautiful, fun, awesome for a party like this. Now, something that you cannot eat, but you can enjoy are red and white flowers. Y'all, these were $5. They don't have to be expensive. They're carnations. I just mixed them up so it looks like fireworks going off with our carnations, put it in a bottle I had, put a little ribbon around it. Beautiful. I've got some more white carnations down there in a red vase. So fun. I also have these that I've had for a long time. These are allium blooms that have gone to seed and they were dead. And I cut them thinking, these kind of look like exploding fireworks. I will use these one day. And guess what? Here we are using them. Also, you might notice I have little flags everywhere. So fun. And I just got to package them online. Super cheap, but really make the table pop. Decorations are so important for making your guests feel patriotic. Undoubtedly, you'll have children come to your party, and what better opportunity to sugar them up than this. You give them some Tootsie Pops, you give them some Twizzlers, and you send them home with their parents. Well played, party planner. Well played. It's not really a party until something explodes. So we can have sparklers, we can have other exploding things in a jar, and then, oh, if someone happens to go by and pluck it out and set it on fire outside, score. All right, now, summer just screams fruit. And guess what? We have red and blue fruit available to us. We've got strawberries, we've got blueberries, we've got raspberries, we've got watermelon. Oh my word, there are blueberries in the watermelon. There are blueberries in the strawberries. It's an explosion of red and blue with some angel food cake, happens to be white. This is great party stuff. I've just put them in 2-handled soup bowls that I had on hand, which also happen to be white. Red, white, and blue reigns on this table. So I saved the best for last. I'm sure you've noticed this giant tree with the ornaments all hanging on it and getting in your business, and it is so cool. I have used this tree for Christmas, for Valentine's Day, for Easter, and now I'm using it for a 4th of July party. And here's the cool thing. There are 4th of July ornaments. I found them online for less than $10, and then I just used Christmas ornaments that I already had and added to it. And I used Christmas stuff all over the house. Christmas tissue, Christmas ribbon. I even have over here a Christmas wreath that I also use for Valentine's Day. You can get into your attic and find your well-marked bins of Christmas decorations. You can find stars, you can find ornaments, you can find tissue paper. Anything that's red, white, or blue helps you in this moment. And I don't know about you, but sometimes when I'm putting away those Christmas decorations, I'm kind of bummed that it's all going away. And now you have an opportunity to use them again. You're welcome. Here's a little specialized bonus. We actually have vintage photos from July 4th. Here's a really fun picture of my husband and his mom on the beach, July 4th. Just put it in a red frame. Wonderful. And here is a wonderful vintage photo of my little brother, my cousin, and me at the Independence Day Fair in Michigan. I love this photo in a red frame. You could put it anywhere in your house, but I thought you might like to see that. Now look at this. Isn't this a fun and abundant table of good things? We've got exploding things. We have sugary things. We have fruit. We've got cake. We have ornaments. We've got flowers and flags, and just so much fun on one table. And trust me when I tell you, all of this will make your guests feel special. Hey, happy 4th of July. See you soon. Okay, now?
No.
Now?
No.
Can I do it now?
No.
Now?
Okay.
The female predator should not be taken lightly. Under the influence of extreme hunger, their eating habits can turn very violent and are a sight to be feared.
Let's go. America Exploded episode, take 1.
What's better than some candy to just get them all psyched up and then take them home, right? So we've got red and blue put. You cannot believe what I almost said there. Some wonderful, some people call these red vines, but they're actually, what the heck are they called?
Twizzlers.
Oh my gosh.
Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.